Welcome back. Today it's me, Beto G. I'm back today with another beat. The title of this trap beat is going to be titled How to Make Suriname Trap Beat. Suriname. I'm back today with Suriname Trap Beat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, I'm going to show you how to launch your FL Studio. When you want to launch your FL Studio, make sure you put your cursor like this, right click and press open. But for me, I've already launched my FL Studio, so I'm just going to click here and open my FL Studio. I will start to program my Suriname trap beat. So I'm going to click on add, click on Citrus. I'm going to turn my mouse wheels to channel 5. Then put my cursor here, right click and press piano roll. So I'll start to program my Suriname trap beat. I'll first of all program the first 2 bars of my Suriname trap beat. Then copy right to bars number 8. That's it. I'll program the first 2 bars. Copy right to bars number 8. Good. As you can see, I've programmed my first 2 bars pattern of my Suriname trap beat. I'm going to click here, highlight it to the left, press Ctrl and B several times to copy right to bars number 8. That's it. The next step is I'm going to pick another melody again. I'm going to click on add, click on move bars. I'm going to left click, turn my mouse wheels to channel 6. After turning my mouse wheel to channel 6, I will right click, press piano roll. Now I'm programming my bass melodies now. I'll start to program my bass melodies now of my Suriname trap beat. That's it. After that, I'm going to program my hi-hat now. I'll put my cursor here, right click and press piano roll. I'll just program my first 1 bar, copy right to bars number 8. I'll press Ctrl and B, right to bar number 8. After that, I'll start to program my snare now. I'll put my cursor on channel 4, right click and press piano roll. Now, I'm programming my snare now. This time I'm programming my snare. That's good. The next step is I will left click, hold it, drag it to channel 1, right click and press piano roll. I'll start to program my kick now. This is it. After that, I'm going to click here on channel 1, click on this icon, turn the boost knob right up. That's it. After that, I'll put my cursor on pattern 1 here, right click and click here split by chaining. As you can see, everything I've programmed has appeared on the top left corner of my FL Studio. I'm going to click on my kick, click on channel 1, click on my hi-hat, click back into my playlist, click on my snare, click back into my playlist, click on my first melody, click back to my playlist, click on my boom bars, and click back into my playlist. After that, I will highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B several times. Ctrl and B several times to extend my beat. Which you can see press Ctrl and A to highlight, Ctrl and B several times. That's it. Now, I'm going to remove my kick, remove my hi-hat, remove my snare, and then extend my beat again. This is my outro. I've removed the space for my intro. And then press Ctrl and B to extend my outro. That's it. I'm extending my outro now. I'm going to remove the hi-hat, remove the snare, 3 and 4. I will right click and click here, create automation clip. On number 4, I will right click and create the automation clip. That's it. Tomorrow I'm going to bring another version to the full mixing. Now let's listen to the Suriname trap beat. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make Suriname trap beats. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. See you tomorrow in another beat. Goodbye.